Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You open Google Calendar and pick the date and time you need. Click Create or drag across the time block to start an event. This begins the scheduling flow. Add a clear title and location so attendees know purpose and place. Choose which calendar to save it to, then set the correct time zone. This avoids confusion across teams. Once done, move to Invite attendees and build agenda items. Those steps make the invite actionable and respect everyone's time. You now add guests by typing emails into the guests field and set whether they can modify the event or see guest lists. Include an agenda in the description and attach relevant files so people come prepared. Click Add Conferencing to include Google Meet or paste an external link. This ensures remote access. Make sure to set notifications and visibility. Reminders and calendar privacy reduce no-shows. Once configured, double-check times for all key participants. You finish by clicking Save and sending invitations so attendees receive the meeting link and details. Monitor RSVP in the event view and use Find a Time or guests' calendars to resolve conflicts quickly. If attendees request changes, edit the event and send updates. This keeps everyone synchronized. If something goes wrong, missing invites, wrong time zone, or duplicate entries, check event history, resend the invite, and confirm guest permissions. That usually fixes most issues without extra steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.